There you go. First of the day. It's a little sunny, right? No, it's a smallie. Tiny one. Nice. Just right in this little spot. The reason for the spin is just to kind of cover water. Oh, there's another one. Feels a little better. Ooh. It's like 11-inch. I'm wearing the nose. It was a fish. I thought it was a snag at first. Nice little smallie again. Oh no, that's a pretty nice rock bass actually. Nice. Got that guy, kind of just pitched this spinner right to that little swell. Did a bit of jigging action. Oh, wow. I was not even looking. This guy just got it right in front of me. That's cool. Nice. There's Lily right here. Don't let's ever wait too far in, right? Wasn't recording, but I threw on a jig and caught probably my best smallie of the day. Looks like that's how it goes, right? You don't record and you get best fish. Ooh, almost dropped him. Okay, dropped him. He's about the same size as actually another one, so that's pretty cool. Just on this craw football jig and just was working on the ground. He caught it right in front of me pretty much. Got one. Small, I think. No, I mean, yeah, but pretty average size for what I've been catching. There we go. A little rock bass? No, it's a little smallie. That's nice because I was fishing here before and didn't get anything on the spinner, so good to know that. Oh, instantly. Damn it. That was a nice fish. Just dropped it. Well, I think this spot would be really good for a jig. Oh, that's a fish. I'm glad it went right downstream. I thought it was just like a weird... Ooh, best one of the day. go with my bait. Nice, that was cool. It was like it bit it and just went straight downstream with it. So I kind of just thought I snagged something and then just had a little bit of current drift afterwards. There's another one, holy crap. Ooh. Man, this spot's hot right now. A nice little smallmouth.